Changing your phone number on Agoda is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your contact information easily. Step 1. Log into your account. Open the Agoda app or website and log into your account using your email and password. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. This is usually found by clicking on your profile icon or name in the upper corner of the screen. Step 3. Select personal information. In the account settings menu, look for an option labeled Personal Information or Profile. Click on this to view your current details. Step 4. Update phone number. Find the section for your phone number. Delete the old number and enter your new phone number. Make sure to double check for any errors. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new phone number, look for a Save or Update button. Click this to ensure your changes are recorded in the system. Now you have successfully updated your phone number on Agoda. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Agoda's customer support for assistance.